Hi students. Firstly, I welcome all the SEC student for BSc third year of what the analytical chemistry. The name of paper is what the pharmaceutical chemistry, and the name of topic today's topic we are going to first what the conduct first lecture of this SEC today, and the topic is what the very interesting topic pharmaceutical chemistry, drug and pharmaceuticals. And what is the drug and what is the pharmaceuticals? It is nothing but drug and pharmaceuticals are the similar terms, but the pharmaceutical contains many drugs, but drugs contains only the active species. That is the difference between drug and pharmaceutical. Now let's learn about this SEC topic, that is what the drug and pharmaceuticals. So here students, drug is any substance is intended and is used as a orally applied topically for the purpose of used mitigation, treatment, prevention, cure and diagnosis of disease and disorder and maintain the good quality of health is known as a drug. So what is the drug? It is the substance is intended is used as a orally applied or topically for the purpose of use of mitigation, treatment, prevention and cure and diagnosis of a disease and disorder and maintain the good quality of health is known as a drug. Any substance is any substance is important to impart or give the therapeutic activity is known as drug. So what is drug? The drug is a substance which is what used to intend orally applied to topically for the purpose of used mitigation, treatment, prevention and cure and diagnosis of the disease and disorder and maintain the good quality of the health. So such type of substance is known as a drug. Drug word is come from the Greek letter, that is what drug. Drug means dry herb. So such type of active what the pharmacophore containing molecule or chemical substances is known as what the drug. Any substance is important to impart or to give the therapeutic activity. Therapeutic activity means what the pharmacophore activity. It is what the pharmaco dynamic or pharmacokinetic activity. So this is known as a drug. Drug is important to prevent the disease and disorder and it can give the therapeutic activity. So what is the role of drug? It important to prevent the disease and disorder and it can give the therapeutic activity. So drug is important to give pharmacological response and it acts as a target site of the infection and prevent injury or disease and disorder. So it is what the target drug or what the specified area which is what affected by means of the infection or what is what injury is only cured by means of drug and it does not affect the other part of the body. So such type of substances is known as also a drug. Drug was administered in various routes of administration depending upon three types. So the administration of the drug is depending upon it is what orally, intravenous or it is what the depending so such type of the what administration of drug is possible to the patient. So any substance or pharmaceutical product for human or veterinary use that is intended to modify or exposure physiological system or pathological state of the benefit of the recipient is termed as drug. According to WHO, what is the definition of drug? Any substance or pharmaceutical product for human or veterinary use. It is used by what human or it is used for the curing diseases or maintain the pathological states and physiological states, pathological system and physiological states in the what animal or in the human. It benefits the recipient is termed as drug. The term drug, medicine, and pharmaceutical product are commonly used interchangeably. So, what the term drug, medicine, and pharmaceuticals are what the interchangeably used means what pharmaceuticals and what the drugs and what the medicine is the same one. So, an active pharmaceutical ingredient is the chemical substance contained in a pharmaceutical which is responsible for its therapeutic effect. Some pharmaceuticals contain more than one active ingredient. So, what is the active ingredient? Active pharmaceutical ingredient, that is what API, is the chemical substance contained in a pharmaceutical which is responsible for its therapeutic effect. So, the pharmaceuticals contain more than one active ingredient. So, one, as you know that for the analgesic drug, in the analgesic drug there is what more than two or uh, more of that are ingredient present in the given. Suppose we take the analgin or any tablet, it contains what aceclofenac, paracetamol. So such type of analgesic drug or any type of drug contains more than what one active pharmaceutical ingredient, which is what the uh, responsible for the what the curing the diseases or therapeutic effect. The pharmaceutical substances used in the diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of disease and for restoring the correcting or motivating the organic. What is pharmaceutical substance used in the diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of disease and for restoring the correcting or motivating the organic what organic states or what the pathogenic state. Such type of drugs is known as the what pharmaceutical drug. Pharmaceuticals are generally classified by chemical group by the way they work in a body. So pharmacological effect, depending upon the pharmacological effect, they are get classified. And they therapeutic use. Alkaloids were our first pure pharmaceuticals derived from the natural substances, that is what plants. So all these alkaloids, that nicotine, heroin, cocaine, so all these are alkaloids which is what extract from the plants. So they include quinine, nicotine, cocaine, atropine, and morphine. Such type of drugs of animal origin, including what glandular extracts containing hormones such as insulin for use in the treating diabetes. Such type of also drugs what extracted from the animals. So antibiotics, vaccines, human blood plasma fractions, and steroid hormones are other important pharmaceuticals manufactured from natural substances. Vitamins, which are formerly obtained from the natural sources, are now often made in the laboratory. So such type of drug is also what included in the given pharmaceuticals. What is the pharmaceuticals? Pharmaceuticals are generally what classified by the what is pharmaceutical? It is nothing but drug, but in pharmaceutical there are many drugs, then many active ingredients are present. So pharmaceutical ingredients are present. So what is they are classified depending upon the what by the way they work in the body, the pharmacological effect. This is known as what pharmacological effect, and by the therapeutic use, how they are used. So what for what they are used. So alkaloids were the first pure pharmaceuticals. Alkaloids are the first pure pharmaceuticals derived or isolated from the natural substance, and that is what the plant. They include what quinine, nicotine, cocaine, atropine, and morphine. The drugs of animal origin, including glandular extract containing hormones such as insulin for use in the treating diabetes. So we can isolate the drugs from also the animal origin. So glandular, that is insulin, is also for the drug used for the what treating the diabetes. The antibiotics, vaccines, human blood plasma fractions, and steroid hormones are other important pharmaceutical manufactured from the natural substances. So we can what able to manufacture antibiotics, vaccines, human blood plasma fractions, and steroid hormones are other important pharmaceuticals which are what prepared from the natural resources or natural substances. Vitamins also, which were formerly obtained from the natural sources and are now often made in the laboratories. So in the preparation of dosage, many pharmaceuticals are ground to varying degrees of fineness. So it is the what the part of drug development or drug processing is that we what grind the pharmaceutical products by very what fineness degrees of fineness. Many medicinal substances are added to water, alcohol, or another solvent so that they can use in the solution form. So the drugs are also available in the solution form by using solvent, that is water and alcohol or another type of solvent. These may include spirits, elixirs, and textures. So ointments are one of many semi-solids preparations which also includes creams, pastes, and jellies. Also the ointments and solid pharmaceuticals includes pills, tablets, lozenges, and suppositories. In this form, the compounds are more stable, with less risk of the chemical reaction, and the dosage is easier to determine. So, storage and packaging also is made simpler, and solid forms are more efficient to produce. So, these are the what the drug development and drug processing are there. So, different types of drugs we have in the solution form and in the solid form. So in the suspension form, that is semi-solid form has what creams, pastes, jellies. Solid form includes pills, tablets, lozenges, and suppositories. In this form, the compounds are most stable, so and easily handleable. So this type of the what pharmaceuticals are available in the market. So this is about the drugs and pharmaceutical. If you have any queries regarding this, please comment in the comment box. I will try to answer the question depending on this what the topic. Thank you.